Before buying OVPN, there are 12 important things you should know to help you decide if it's the right VPN for you. Compared to other VPN services, OVPN has some unique features, but also has areas where it falls short. Stick around to find out the pros and cons. The first thing to know is that OVPN offers a solid no-logs policy. Unlike some VPN providers that have been found keeping data, OVPN ensures your online activities stay private. They have a clear, auditable commitment to not retaining your browsing history, which is important for privacy-conscious users. However, compared to some competitors, OVPN doesn't have as many third-party audits to back up their claims, so always consider that when making your choice. Next, OVPN provides strong encryption. They use AES 256, which is the industry standard for military-grade protection, meaning your connection is secure and no one can snoop on your data. It's on par with top competitors like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, but they also offer some unique tunneling protocols, such as WireGuard and OpenVPN, which add to the flexibility. The third thing you should know is that OVPN's server network isn't as extensive as some of the larger VPN providers. While they do have servers in key locations, their total server count is lower compared to giants like NordVPN or CyberGhost. This might mean slower speeds in certain regions if you're not connecting to a local server. The fourth thing to consider is that OVPN does not offer free trials or a money-back guarantee. Unlike many VPN services that provide risk-free trials, OVPN's approach is a bit more restrictive. You'll need to commit upfront, which could be a deal breaker for some users. The fifth point is their pricing. While OVPN offers competitive pricing, it can be a little on the higher side compared to other budget-friendly options like Surfshark or private internet access. However, for users who prioritize privacy and encryption over price, the extra cost may be worth it. The sixth thing is OVPN's customer support. The support team is responsive and available 24/7 through live chat and email. Their support is generally well regarded, but it's not as expansive as some other competitors like ExpressVPN, who offer more in-depth resources like a knowledge base and tutorials. Next, OVPN's performance is generally good, but it doesn't always match the lightning-fast speeds of competitors like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. For regular browsing or streaming, OVPN works fine, but you might notice slower speeds with more demanding activities like torrenting or gaming. The eighth thing you should know is their device compatibility. OVPN works on most platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. However, unlike some competitors, it lacks native apps for routers or smart TVs, which can be a downside if you want to secure all your devices. The ninth thing is their focus on privacy. OVPN is based in Sweden, which is a bit of a mixed bag when it comes to privacy. While Sweden has strong data protection laws, it is part of the 14 Eyes Alliance, meaning they could potentially share data with other member countries. This makes it less private compared to VPNs based in more privacy-friendly countries like Panama or the British Virgin Islands. The 10th thing to know is that OVPN offers a great kill switch feature. This ensures that if your VPN connection drops, your internet will be immediately cut off to prevent any data leakage. It's a feature that's not available with every VPN, making OVPN a good option for those who prioritize security. The 11th point is that OVPN is ideal for privacy enthusiasts who want a simple, no-frills VPN experience. It's not overloaded with unnecessary features like ad blockers or split tunneling, so if you're looking for something straightforward, OVPN can be a solid choice. And finally, OVPN is compatible with streaming services, but you may run into some issues accessing certain content on platforms like Netflix or BBC iPlayer. While some competitors are more reliable for unblocking geo-restricted content, OVPN does work with most services. So, is OVPN a good option? It certainly has its strengths, particularly in privacy and encryption, making it a solid choice for security-focused users. However, if you're looking for a better overall experience with a wider server network, lower pricing, and more advanced features, we recommend checking out our preferred solution, which you can try for free.